How you feeling, Belle?
How you feeling, Belle?
What do you feel like?
Nothing.
Are you ready for your tonsils to come out?
Well, did they give you medicine to make you feel good? How does it make you feel?
It feels like shower water.
Like you're showering?
No, it tastes like shower water.
Yeah, but what does it make you feel like?
Shower water.
No, we know what it tastes like. How is it making you feel right now? What's your body feel like?
Normal.
Normal? You don't feel kind of woozy yet? Or? No?
You look tired.
Tired or happy?
Tired.
You look tired. Okay, we'll see you when you come out.
Open up. Let's see a picture of those tonsils before they come out. Say,
Ah.
Gene Simmons tone.